Hey everyone, it's Barista Andrea again and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Barista Emmanuel. Like you see, he's going to take us through our new series. He'll explain himself to you like you're going to see. I won't intervene him today. Let him take the show.
Everyone, this is Barista Emmanuel and I'll be taking you through how to make a perfect cappuccino. And based on the previous explanations given by Barista Andrea, he showed you how to make a perfect espresso and how to steam milk to make, when we combine the both, we make a good beverage. And so today I'll be taking you through how to make a cappuccino. We'll begin by grinding coffee to make our espresso. And after extracting the espresso, that's when we are going to steam the milk to combine both of them. Then we shall have a perfect cappuccino. So making a perfect cappuccino, I'm going to start by extracting my coffee to make a perfect espresso. So after extracting our espresso, we are going to steam our milk for the cappuccino. We have our espresso, and then we also have our steamed milk. So we are going to combine the both to make a cappuccino. And if you could notice, our milk has too much froth, and for the cappuccino we make sure that we stretch the milk to get this kind of froth. So we shall mix in. And you can even make some simple art.